What's up everybody? Welcome back to FS2S. If you guys recall from the last video, the dually was in the shop getting lifted at the time, and the truck is out of the shop now. I'm really excited. It looks amazing, and I'm just gonna let you guys check it out. Shout out to the guys at Texas Tire for putting all the suspension pieces together. Now check it out. So what do you guys think? Ooh, I'm in love with that Illusion Malbec color. At a certain angle, it looks a bit purple. And then with certain lighting, it looks like a deep cherry red. It really changes colors quite frequently, actually. Got the Fox shocks all the way around. I've driven it a little bit now, and if anything, it actually rides better than it did before. Still feels like a dually. The ride's not the best in the world, but it's actually pretty good still, especially compared to some other lifted trucks I've had. All the springs, every component to the lift kit were all powder coated Illusion Malbec. The truck doesn't rub anymore, which is a good thing, and everything just seems to look much more proportional now. There's definitely a lot I still want to do to the underside of this truck. I definitely need to get a lot more of this Illusion Malbec in there. And of course, the truck's already filthy. It's a little hard to tell, but the lift blocks and the U-bolts are also powder coated. Alright, so there it is. The truck's lifted, it's looking good. I love that powder coat color, and I can't wait to see what's next with this truck. There's definitely plenty more coming. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.